In today's Scrapbuster tutorial, we're going to make a little needle book. This project is designed to coordinate with our Maker's mini tool bag, and it fits right there in the outside pocket. Before we get started, let's take a look at the supplies we're going to use in our project today. The first step is to lay out our exterior and interior. The exterior is really easy. We're just going to take the fusible fleece, center it on the wrong side, and then attach that according to manufacturer's instructions. For the interior, I have marked center, and I'm going to use a little bit of glue to glue and stack two pieces of felt together. And then I'm going to tack it in place here, 1/4 inch out from center and then centered vertically. I'm going to do that with the other set of felt pieces as well. And once those are tacked in place, we'll go to the machine and stitch them in place. The exterior and the lining are all prepped and ready to go. I went ahead and pressed the wrong side of the lining to get rid of my pen marks. And now I'm ready to put these right sides together. And I'm going to sew up the long sides, leaving these short ends open. With this sewn up, I am going to turn it right side out. This is ready to press, and then I'll install the bias tape on the short ends. I've trimmed the bias tape and folded under the raw edges so that it's ready to attach to these short ends to enclose those raw edges. And I am gonna open up the folds, keep our ends folded, and attach it like so. I'm gonna do that on both sides. Now at the machine, I'm going to stitch both sides, and then I'm going to fold it over to the back, clip it in place, and then top stitch so that we're catching that back side. With the bias tape installed, we are ready for our very final sewing step, and that is to sew a center line. That is where this is going to fold. I took this to the cutting table and measured and drew a line with my heat erase pen. I wanted to wait till the bias tape was installed so that I could get an accurate measurement, including the bias tape. So I will go ahead and stitch that up, and then I'm going to erase that stitch line with my iron and meet you back at my cutting table to install the cam snap. It is time for the very last step. We're going to install this cam snap. I have my cam snap setter and a really good hole punch, and I am going to measure center and make a little dot so that we know where to punch our hole. And I like to have that dot a little closer to this inside edge of the bias tape. And with one hole punched, I'm going to fold this over and line up these ends, and then use my pen to mark where the second hole will go. Okay, we have our two end caps, and we have our socket and our stud. You'll have your end cap on the exterior and then your other piece on the interior. And then we have our setter, and we just want to make sure that's seated nicely in there, and then press. Just like that. Okay, let's test it out. And that concludes this needlebook tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. And if you appreciate this content, feel free to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy sewing.